We can walk in here. Get him, Courtney. Put him in your bucket. There you go. There's two more there. Get him.
There's a pink one, Get that one. There's a pink one and a green one. Hurry right behind it. Hurry up.
Keep going, hurry.
There's a green one right here, Courtney. Right here.
Wow.
You got it.
Wow, the kids just swept. Run this way. Go this way. Run. Run. I think that's all of them.
I know you were.
That must be all of them. Hey, Courtney, let's see how many eggs you have. You're on video camera.
Wow.
Did you have fun? Good. The end.